Goodbye complexity, you can create a pivot with just a simple instruction. Pivot table, sales by channel and customer type. Simply click apply, and in a few seconds, the pivot table will be ready for you. Your pivot table is ready. Let's review it. The AI generated the pivot based on the instructions, breaking down the data by channel and then by customer type. Now, let's create a more complex pivot table by adding more data breakdowns. In the manual option, this scenario would require multiple clicks, but here you only need a simple instruction. Pivot table sales by channel, region, product, and customer type. Click apply, and in a few seconds this complex pivot table will be ready for you, without any complexity. Your pivot table is now ready. Since you previously generated a pivot table, the new one will be placed immediately to the right of the previous pivot. You can also set an instruction to place the pivot table below the data table. By default, the pivot will be placed to the right of the data. Using the drop-down menu, you can easily choose which sheets to use, and you can also select a table. There's no need to manually type the table rate. You can also select an AI model to use. Now it's your turn to try. Install AI Assist Works today and forget the complexity.